Hey everyone, welcome back. So, if you recall, I started a seat reupholstery project a little while ago, and I got a Katzkin kit. And there was nothing wrong with the cloth seats, but this definitely looks so much better, and it's a much higher quality material. Plus, like the other cloth material stains really easily, and it was a lighter color, so that's not great. I got kids. The project started off really smoothly. I did the rear seats real quick within a day, probably like a couple hours actually, but the fronts were a little more difficult in the respect that this center console is a little tricky. There's seat belts in it, plus these seats here, they all have airbags in them, right? And so I was kind of nervous about setting off an airbag, to tell you the truth. So I contacted a local shop out here in the North Bay, Teeters and Shacked, and they've been in business for a long time. Came out great. The wrinkles are still getting kind of ironed out, so to speak. You know, the heat will take care of that. But if you're ever in doubt, Katzkin makes a great kit. But also, if you end up getting a kit and have a modern car with airbags in the front seats, I might consider reaching out to a professional just to see what they say and see what you're comfortable with. But thanks for joining, and let me know if you have any questions. The cloth seats, although they serve their purpose, they just get really beat up, man, and they show stains, and I just wanted kind of a nicer look to it. The whole center console is going to look different. We're changing the color scheme, and it's going to look more like it looks amazing. So nice.